Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a haul of a company called Dollskill. Now, if you don't know who Dollskill are, I'll link their website down below so you can check them out, but they do really funky stuff. And I got 5 pieces to show you guys today, so I'm just going to jump straight to it, but before I do that, can we just appreciate their packaging? Like, look at this. They have like all their own like Dollskill doodles all over the box, which just... it made the delivery so much more exciting when I opened it. I was like, oh my god. So yeah, let's jump to it. So I'm going to start with the shoes. So these shoes are by Poster Girl, and they're called the Poster Girl Diamond Certified Ankle Boots. And I got them in a UK 6, which is like a US 8, I think. And they were $98, but wait till you see them. Like, they are amazing. I'm going to have to like dig them out. So... this is the box they come in, so they're pretty, you know, they're large boots. I'm all about boots, I love shoes. And then if we open them up, so they come wrapped in like this sort of bag thing. I've already opened one shoe, so I'm strategically showing you this one. And if we open it up, they're just, look at that. That is a rhinestone flame heel. Does it get any cooler than that? And I love the height of them, and then they actually look really normal from the front. Like, they just look like normal, nice heeled boots, and then bam! Look at that. I'm so excited to wear these. And they come like stuffed, so they keep their shape in transport, which is transport in transit, which is nice. Even though they come in a box, it just means they're even nicer when they come out. Like, look at that. And then you can probably see in the background here. So I have got flame boots already from Dollskill. So these are by Current Mood clothing, and unfortunately, because of how high this platform is, I just don't tend to wear these ones that much. I just feel like they look more like costume boots than anything. Like, I still love them. They're always on display in my room, but they are crazy shoes. Whereas these ones are like definitely more wearable. I don't know. Let me know your favourites. So I'm obsessed with these just because of how the like platform height's perfect. The actual boot fits really nice, and they've sort of got this really cute square toe. But yeah, I just love everything about them. And they zip up and they have a little elastic thing there, which means they're really comfortable. But oh, I'm just obsessed with these. Just look at that heel, like, it's so sassy. I just love how you can't tell from the front, and then... So I'll get the other one out. So... Isn't that just the coolest pair of shoes you've ever seen? Love them. I'm in love with these. This is it my favourite thing I got? It's hard. This haul is literally, I love everything, so it's really hard to pick, but that's these bad boys. The next thing I got are, they're like corduroy dungarees or overalls, whatever you prefer to call them, and they're by a company called Skylar and Madison, because Dollskill basically, they have their own range, and then they also like sell loads of like smaller company stuff, and then some bigger brands as well, all like within one store, which is really cool. So you can try a whole range of brands. But these are, so the black ones are called Unholy Get Down Corduroy Overalls, and the green ones are called Get Down Corduroy Overalls. So, you know, I got 2 because I just knew when I saw them on the model that I was gonna love these, and I was right. I do, genuinely, I'm obsessed. And these were $62 each. So let me find them. So these are the green pair. They are out of their packaging already because I have worn these, and love them. I don't own any other corduroy stuff, and I used to wear cords all the time. But then it just sort of, I couldn't fit into them anymore because I am quite curvy and they're just not made for curves. But these, they're like stretchy. Like, they're not super stretchy, but they're enough, and so I was really happy when I found these. I got them in a size small, which fits fine, and if anything I could do with a belt. What's great about these is they open on both sides, which means, you know, if you're quite hippie like me, they go on really easy, which is, it's a godsend. And then they just have the adjustable dungaree straps and a really cute little pocket. So I'm obsessing over these because you can wear them with like a nice burgundy jumper or that sort of thing, and they just look like green corduroy skinny jeans, which I've never seen before, so I am loving these. Only thing I would say, they come up a little short, but you'll see them in a second, so that's fine. And then the black ones. This is how the green ones fit, and I just think they're so cute with like a little white crop top like this, so this is perfect for more summer weather. And then when it's a bit colder, I'll wear like a white turtleneck or anything with like green in it or autumnal colours. They're actually really versatile considering they're green. Only thing I would say is so they sort of like hang off my back there because the waist is actually quite a bit too big for me. But because they're dungarees, like they're not going to fall down at all. They're just not the type of thing I'd probably wear a belt with. I don't know if a belt would work or not, but they're super cute nonetheless. And the length of them, they come like 2 inches above my ankle, which is fine because I can always fold them up a little bit and then make them even shorter so they look like they're meant to be short, or just wear boots, and I always wear boots, so to be honest it's not really a problem. But I really love these. I just think they're so cute. I really like the pocket as well, and you just can't beat corduroy. Like, I think it looks so nice, so I'm obsessed with these. So I'll go throw on the black ones now. The black ones I haven't even looked at yet. This is the first time opening them. Again, they're size small. And they come like this. Don't they just look so funky? Oh, I love them. And yeah, pretty much, well, they are identical as the green ones, just in black. So they just look like this. And then they have their tags on. Ta-da! So I think these are, I'm generally going to live in both of these because they're just so comfy. The only downfall about dungarees is going to the toilet, but I feel like it's worth it because of how cute you look. So I'll go pop those on so you guys can see how they fit, but I'm in love with these. This is the black pair and they fit exactly the same, believe it or not. So they just look like this. Again, they look really cute with a white top underneath. I feel like the black ones I could definitely wear more under them or like with them, but I love the green ones just as much anyway. But they just look like this, and again, I just love the fabric of them. They look so like velvety. Love it. So they just look like that. They're just so cute, and to be honest, I don't own many like proper like dungaree sets. I own like loads and loads of jeans, and then these really cute like all-in-one like denim jumpsuit things that, to be fair, I love to wear. So I definitely think I'll be wearing these a lot. Aren't they so cute? And again, the waist on the black ones, same problem, but I don't think it shows. Like, it's not an issue, and I could always loosen these like as far as they go. Wait, I wonder if that'll like slack it a bit so it's not. I mean, then it doesn't sit like, then it's just like loose, it's not like torn up like that. So that's quite cute. I look like a little farmer girl. No, really love these ones. Next thing I got is a pyjama top. I got it in ivory. I actually thought this was white, but it's easy to make that mistake when you're shopping online. But it's really cute still. It's just like this sort of vintage looking crop top, and then it ties around the side. And the reason I got this is because I think it was $20, and it just looked so cute on the model, and I just thought it will be so freeing to sleep in, because I hate being restricted when I sleep, so this was like, yes please. Because you can tie it as tight as you need or as loose as you need. And I got this in a small, I think. Yeah. And this is by Sugar Thrills. Just looks like that. So really love this one, and I love the material of it. It's so soft, it's just so silky. No, really happy with this. And then last, but definitely not least, is this leather halter neck dress. So it may look like a bin bag right now, but when it's on me, like, I think it'll be amazing, because on the model it just caught my attention, and I was like, I need that. So it ties around your neck just like that, and it's like literally tied in a knot around the top of this dress, and then it just goes around the back, and then it's sort of bodycon all the way down. It is like a stretchy leather effect fabric, but I bet this would look amazing with like these. And funny enough, I'm going clubbing tonight. I mean, this could be the outfit. So I'm gonna go pop this on, maybe with these shoes, maybe not, and we'll see what we're dealing with. And this dress was, dun dun dun. This is called the Day and Night Money to Burn mini dress. I love their names. Like, if you just scroll through their website, the things they like name each item, it's just so funny. I love just reading them all. I got it in a size small, and it was $24, so not too bad. But yeah, I will go pop that on for you now. But this is how it fits, and I absolutely love the neckline. I think it's really unusual how it sort of like knots into like the chokery bit. I just really like that effect it makes with the sort of like ruching. And then the actual dress itself, it's the perfect length. It's not too short, not too long, it just sits in the right place. So I really like that, and it just fits really nice, I think, and it's sort of like a thicker, like fake leather material, because I'm always wary with fake leather that it's going to like stretch and never return, like if it's a bit too thin, because I've had a skirt like that before, but no, this feels really nice, so I really like it. And the back of it's really cute, it's sort of like a low back, but it's not backless. And then I've just matched it with the flame boots, which I think look awesome with it. Because they're sort of like, because the dress is so plain but also quite funky in itself, it's just like all black, and then I just turn and you just see these rhinestone flames, so I love everything. But that's all I've got for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this little like try-on unboxing video. If you did, subscribe for more and give this a like. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the bits and bobs I got. I'll link like my Instagram down below, and if you like rocks and things like that, I have a geology channel because that's what I study at uni, so if you want to check that out, that'll be down there as well. And then also, if you're interested, I have a Patreon, so you can check that out. But apart from that, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed, and I will hopefully see you next time.